What kind of gun is that?
A Recon CX6.
A Recon CX6?
Yes, Recon. Because they're kind of the same.
Yeah. How do you put it together?
Because the barrel goes right here. The laser goes right here. The barrel goes right here, and this goes right here. And this goes right here. And the hand goes right here, and this goes right here, and this goes right there.
And what's the gun called again?
The Recon.
Okay, well, and what other guns do you like?
It's the long shot. The long shot. Because the long shot CX6 shoots up to 35 feet.
Wow.
But that's a long way because our shoots a super long way.
Yeah. Well, what about the Vulcan?
The Vulcan?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I like it.
You
That's
do?
what I wanted because I know how to do it. But she doesn't go tips.
Oh.
But it's just the Vulcan.
The Vulcan darts.
Yes.
What does it have on the bottom of it?
Because it holds a bell.
Oh, it holds a belt.
Yes.
What does it have to help it stand up?
Daddy!
Look, that flips up like that. You see that?
I want to leave it down.
JJ, what does the Vulcan have to help it stand up?
The tripod.
Yeah.
The tripod that goes on the bottom to help you aim.
Mm-hmm.
Because I want the tripod.
Oh.
Instead of holding it. But I like to have the tripod and the hold.
Oh. Yeah, Mitchell likes the box. Mitchell, can you say, uh-oh?
Hey, do you sure like the Recon?
I do like it. Won't you let me shoot?
Uh-oh.
Yes, but uh-oh.
You never let me shoot it.
JJ, what are you doing?
Why'd you hit Daddy?
Stop it.
I said I wish you let me shoot it. It hit me.
JJ, what are you doing? Tell me what you're doing with that.
Because this is called a scope.
A scope.
Yes.
What does that do?
Because you look through it. The enemy.
Okay. Can you say, see you later?